Hi, my name is Andrew Way, and welcome to my resound design of Jurassic World Evolution 2. This was actually a audio test for a graduate audio designer role at Frontier Developments. I actually got to the final interview. However, when I did go for this job, I was only 3 or 4 months into taking sound design seriously, so I think at that time I just lacked a lot of implementation knowledge, sound design knowledge, and how to give and take feedback. But I learned a lot from that interview, and it was a really, really good experience. So in this video, I'm just going to be breaking down this video. I'm only going to be showcasing this scene from my website because I think it's the strongest side, and this is the chase scene. So let's gonna showcase the ambience. Just a couple of winds and gusts. Okay, so we have footsteps. Then we have the Gallimus Vox. I'm very terrible with dinosaur names, by the way, but this is the smaller dinosaur. So it is a case of I've got this effects chain where I have pitch, chorus, EQ, reverb, distortion, compression is the original. Here's the one I got. I've also automated the pitch. As you can see, these weird wiggly lines. So as the dinosaur bites his neck, you have like vocal distortion and contortion and all that words. Next we have the bone crackling layers. That's just the bites and the and snapping of bones and so on. I'll play a few at a time. Next we have the body fall. That's just the dinosaur being dragged across the sand. Helicopter is just a helicopter fly past. Left to right, and then we automated the EQ to make it brighter and louder with the volume as well as the helicopter enters the scene. I didn't want to make it too loud because I didn't want to drown out the other dinosaur sounds because I thought that was the main focus. So this is the Baryonyx Vox. As you can tell, I'm terrible with dinosaur pronunciations as well. So here is bypass everything. This is the original. Here's everything with sound effects. I'll play a few layers. And I'll just do A-B comparison. And we have some dinosaur idle sounds. That's when he's breathing, looking around. And here is the main screech. Basically delay reverb to kind of sell that space. Bypass that so you can hear the difference. A long reverb tail. Breakdown, a very short one, but if you want to ask me some questions about some specific effect chains on certain tracks, then please send me a message, email, Twitter, whatever. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care now.